Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how you're going to configure your background. Now the site that you're going to go to is Twitbacks, 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 and the first thing you're going to do is get started here. And we're going to create a new background. Just taking a minute or two here. And again, we're going to pop in all of the same information that we did before. And you can have a company name if you'd like. Again, your website can go in, and don't forget you can just put in you know, if you haven't got the actual name of the website that you wanted as a domain name, you can pop in the bit.ly URL, and you can pop in here a little bit of blurb about you. And again, start to, as you see, I've always put the little stars in, and you could put something in to start to get people to recognize your name and something that's familiar. So hi, I'm Ali. Video and Twitter. Oh, hang on. Video and social media. Proud mum and granny, because I am. And as I said, so you can pop in there. Let's go and just actually go back there. Hang on, and I'll get the address. And again, I've come over to Blinkweb, and I've highlighted the URL, which I can then take back to Twitbacks and pop that in here. I can also then, if I wanted to, pop it over to bit.ly, bit.ly, and shorten the URL. And this is just as a way that you can track track the clicks on it. Although this isn't a clickable link in the background, but if somebody goes and actually pops that in, you would then be able to have that tracked. Okay, so now we've got that in there. Again, we're going to have a look at the category, and the best thing that it's going to actually be, if there's always other services, media services, real estate, whatever's most applicable to whatever you're doing. I'm going to pop other services. Now, just one second here. Now we can either upload a picture or a logo. The first one's the logo, the second one's a picture, so you can upload a picture here. Let's have a look here. Again, as I said, everything is all branding, so it's good to keep these the same. If you've got more than one Twitter account, you need to have a different, obviously still you, but a different photograph on each one is quite good. And then you can have it displayed above or below the bit of the bio about you. I prefer to have it above. Don't need to put the phone number in. You can put your put the email in that you want it to go to. And there we are, and your Twitter username. Now you'll notice that this one, and I'll tell you why here, I've got self-help for you too, because when I was doing it, I had put the wrong email address in, transposed some of the letters in it, and the actual password was wrong as well, so you have to be careful. So I couldn't get back into that account, so I've had to redo another one, and I've called it self-help for you too. Just a little tip there, make sure that you check the actual typing. My spelling's not all that hot, and as I said, when I'm working away sometimes I've transposed some of the letters. Make sure that it's all right, because it's you can't get back into it otherwise. Okay, right, come down to the bottom here. The size of the font, I prefer a 14, a larger one. Just means it's easier to actually read. And then if we come up here, the first, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are free. They do have other backgrounds that you can choose to buy. At the moment, I don't really think it's worth it. I think this is quite a good one here. We'll let you see how it is. And that looks about it. So press continue. And here we are now. We are ready to post it directly to our Twitter account. So let's go ahead and click here to automatically post it. We need to pop in here our password and say post Twitter background. Now sometimes what will happen is it'll say it's too busy, and if that's the case, then I'll show you how to manually actually upload it. We'll just see what happens here. Yes, here it says it's too busy, so we need to download it and manually upload to Twitter. So what we've got to do is click here, click to download it, and we're going to save the file. Just click OK. And it's going to download it. Just remember which one it is. I mean, yours will be the only one of Twitbacks, but I've had various different ones, so I know it's got to be number 8. So we'll wait for that to download. There we are, that's downloaded. So what we're going to do now is come to our download page. And here we've got our Twitback background number 8, so we're going to click on that. Actually, what we need to do is manually upload it. So we're going to click on manually upload. There we go, and we come over to our Twitter account, and we're going to go into our settings. So after it's downloaded, we come straight over to Twitter, straight over to the settings, and we're going to come down to the design. And once we've got into the design of it, we're going to come down here and we're going to click the change the background. These ones here are all Twitter's own ones, but we're going to click change the background. And we're going to browse, and we're going to browse to our downloaded. We're going to download, browse to our downloaded one. And remember, it was Twitback 8, so that's the one we're going to have. I'm going to click open, and then we're going to say save changes. And there we are. We've got our, over here, we've got our branding. And if we actually go back to home now, we can see that we've got on here we've got what we are. We've got our website, we've got our blog, and we've got our email address, and we can now begin to actually start to create some kind of buzz about us, because we are the expert in this particular field. So I'm going to close this video down now, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.